and her family are going to make pancakes.
I love pancakes.
So do I.
Me too.
Everybody loves pancakes, don't they, children?
But Mummy, how do you make a pancake?
Easy. We just put eggs, milk and flour in this bowl and stir them together.
Ooh.
Then we cook the mixture in this pan to make a pancake.
Ah.
And, most important of all, I have to flip the pancakes high into the air.
Are you sure you want to flip the pancakes, Daddy Pig? Last time, the pancakes got stuck to the ceiling.
And they're still there. Look.
There are lots of pancakes stuck to the ceiling.
Ah, yes.